Before we understand how or why humans happen to be at the center of the universe, we must understand the nature of human beings and how they compare to others in the universe. Now, every being has certain needs and desires. For example, a tree needs water, air, soil, and sunlight. But once these basic needs are met, they don't really need anything extra. While animals also have basic needs for survival like water and food, they also feel the need or desire to be loved and have their own offspring. The needs and desires of human beings, on the other hand, is at a whole different level. Besides the basic needs for survival, a human being desires more than any other being. For example, they desire variety in their food and are not satisfied with only a few types. They desire clothing that will not only cover themselves, but one that will suit their style as well. They desire aesthetics. They desire to fly. They desire new technological devices. The list goes on. This, in a sense, makes the human the weakest and poorest of all creatures because their strength and wealth are not capable of satisfying all their desires. For a more detailed discussion on why humans are the weakest and poorest, see the video over here. Now imagine a family with a baby. Notice that everything in that house is directed towards the baby. The parents constantly wake up at night if the baby happens to get hungry or needs attention. During the day, the parents sacrifice their own needs and desires to meet their baby's need for attention and other basic needs. Child locks are placed all over the house to protect the baby from danger, and so on. In other words, the entire house is directed towards the weakest member of the family, the baby. Everybody tries to please them and fulfill their needs. In a sense, human beings, being the weakest and poorest of all, are the babies of this universe. They need and want more from the universe than the rest of beings. So what does it mean for the universe to be directed towards humans? It means that almost everything in this universe is at their service to satisfy their needs and desires. In other words, humans benefit from this world more than any other creature. Let's see some examples. While all living beings are given the necessary food for survival, humans are given the greatest variety. Cows serve us with their milk, chicken with their eggs, and even bacteria are essential for making yogurt. Put another way, while the universe serves all living beings by providing the necessary food for survival, it serves humans more than any other. Nature is created with such beauty and elegance that it leaves its viewers in awe. While the breathtaking beauty of nature is undeniable, it's crucial to realize that it serves the human need of aesthetics more than that of any other being. Animals, due to the simplicity of their nature, are not able to fully appreciate this beauty at the level of humans, or perhaps don't even realize it. In other words, the beauty of nature serves mostly the humankind. Unlike the natural clothing given to animals, humans are forced to make their own clothing in order to adapt to the climate and to their lifestyle in general. Indeed, without clothing, we would not survive in the harsh climate of winter. As a result of this deficiency, the universe is created in such a way as to provide the greatest variety of clothing to humans. Indeed, plants provide cotton, insects produce silk, animals supply us with leather and wool, and so on. Even petroleum is at our service. We can observe the special position of human beings when observing their general lifestyle as well. While the universe serves all living beings by enhancing their lifestyle, it's beyond dispute that humans are given the top service. Trees, for instance, give us paper, petroleum helps us with transportation, certain plants serve us with medicine, and so on. No other being benefits from the universe the same degree as we do. To sum up, humans are the weakest and poorest of all. For example, humans want to fly for a faster transportation. Do they have the ability to fly on their own? No. They need steel, metal, titanium, and so forth. Put another way, they need the universe to provide these materials for them in order to build a plane. Also, for example, humans want clothes. Unlike animals, are they able to satisfy this need on their own? No, they need cotton, silk, petroleum, among other things to design the clothing they desire. Again, they want the universe to provide these materials for them. Since humans have a very high level of needs and desires compared to other beings, God has directed the universe to serve their needs and desires. Just like a house is directed towards meeting a baby's needs, the universe is directed towards human beings. Just like a baby is at the center of attention and the center of the house, human beings are at the center of this universe. In fact, human beings are so weak and poor that even this universe is not capable of satisfying the entirety of their desires, but that's a topic for another video.